Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube. Let me show you how to make a coastal Easter egg using one of these little chunky Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree. First, we're going to start just by using some painter's tape along the edges. It's kind of like an unfinished wood over there, and we're going to paint it. I chose all my beachy blue colors I could find: Caribbean, cloudless, blue cotton, etc. It really doesn't matter. You can always mix blues together if you don't have as many shades of blue as me. But just start with like 3 or 4 of them. And then you're just going to start taking the colors. I chose my lightest one for the sky and just start brushing across. I like to use like the little chunky brushes like this from the Dollar Tree. And you're blending the different colors as blue as you can go. You're going. As you can see, I'm not even changing my brush. And it's very forgivable. Like, seriously, anybody can paint the ocean scene. You just want like different shades of blue working their way out. I didn't really like it the first time. I wanted it to be a little bit more abstract, so I kind of went back and added different shades until I was happy with it. Now for the beach part, I'm using this color. It's a beachcomber beige, very close to a sand color, and kind of doing a little bit of a curvy line along the top to kind of represent like the beach and meeting the ocean. And then I'm going to follow that up with just a little bit of white. I want it to look just like a little bit of sea foam coming in from the ocean. But again, I want it to look as abstract as I can get it. So I just kind of smudged it on there, blended it with a wipe. And then I'm adding a few little white caps out in the ocean as well. Just add a little bit of variety in color. And again, blending it in with just a baby wipe. I just want a very abstract beach feel. Now for the stand, I wanted something really kind of rustic and fun, kind of like driftwood. So I picked up one of these wood slice signs from the Dollar Tree. You do have to be careful though if you're taking the hanger off like that. The bark does like to come off. This one did kind of get me, but you know what? All you have to do is kind of glue it back in place and we're good to go. So just a reminder, be very careful. The little cricket weeder works kind of great to get those staples out as well. And then I wanted to do a word for it. I found these little cutout words from Dollar Tree. This one says Easter, and I thought that was so cute. So we're going to paint that one white. And then I wanted to stress the little wood slice to try to make it look a little bit more like driftwood. So I painted it with that like same sand color to change the color and kind of make it blend in with the beachy sand as well. Now that everything is painted, I did go over my Easter with a second coat of white to make sure it pops against that blue ocean. And then we're just going to glue the little Easter word onto these Dollar Tree eggs. I love these little chunky items. They have bunnies, chicks, carrots, and eggs this year. I glue that on there. And then for my beach, I pick up these little tiny starfish on Amazon. I do have them available in my YouTube Amazon shop. And then it's just a matter of attaching it. It's nice and thick and chunky, so I can just use hot glue and glue it onto the base. And you could use, if you can't find the round base, you could always use like the oval one or the rectangular ones as well. Then for the beachy bottom, I'm going to use some of these little seashells. These are the little tiny seashells that come in the glass bottles at Dollar Tree. Great for crafting like little small items like this, and it's going to kind of give that a beachy feel without actually using any real sand. This is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more Dollar Tree or Easter DIYs, be sure to visit my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Happy crafting!